Okay, we are in Flash now. Let's click on Flash File, ActionScript 3.0, and go to File, Import to Library. And what we need is these 3 images, bed 1, 2, and bed 3. Click on Open. And you get this dialog box that asks you how many flash layer do you want. Just leave it in default and click on OK for the second one, and click OK for the third one. So what you will see on your right hand side is the 3 beds import to the stage. Okay, now go to Insert. Following your handout, go to Insert, select New Symbol. In New Symbol, enter bed underscore fly. Make sure this option movie clip is selected. Click on OK. Now what we have is a stage for our illusion. So the next thing you need to do is, following your handout, which is task 4 on the handout, right click on frame 6 and select Insert Frames. Your screen should be similar to this. Now drag bed 1 into the center of the screen, and the next thing is, now in timeline, right click frame 3 and select blank frame. Once blank frame is selected, now drag bed 2 straight to the center of the screen. There you are. In timeline, right click frame 5, select blank frame and drag the third bed straight to the middle. There. Now go to Control, select Loop Playback, back to Control again, press play, or you can just click Enter, and this is what you see. So let's press Enter again to stop the brief illusion that we just created. Now underneath the timeline, click where it says Scene 1. Drag the symbol bed fly straight to the left hand corner. Of the screen, and right click on frame 60 and insert keyframe. Once keyframe is selected, click and drag the bed across. Once you click and drag the bed across, click on frame 30 and select Create Motion Twine. The motion twine will actually generate the illusion of flight. So let's go to the control panel, drop the control down and select Test Screen, and this is what you see: illusion of bed flying across the screen. Okay, so well done, you've just created an illusion of bed flying across the screen. So let's add one more layer to this illusion. Let's close this. The first layer, let's click on Lock so that we don't make any mistake. Select Insert New Layer. You see where my arrow is, the cursor? That's New Layer. Move this very new layer, layer 2, move it underneath layer 1, and right click on frame 25 and select Insert Keyframe. Once you insert keyframe, select your text tool, click inside the stage, type bed. Can you see that? Once you type bed, go back to your control and select text screen. What you see is bed fly across, and you see an indicator of bed. Okay. You can end the animation now. Close this, go to file. Next stage is to save. Go to file, save the animation, click on OK. You need where to save this and give it a name. Let's call it bed. Call it bed. You can save that in any location where you will be able to save your work. Okay, so for today, that would be the end of the animation for today. Okay, click in there and just save. Okay, so let's see what we've done so far. Control, test screen. That is beautiful. Well done, and thank you.